Good morning. Gising ko lang tapos may dumating na Lazada. And mag-unboxing tayo ng order ko sa Lazada guys. Watch out. So guys, ito na yung nila ko ng Lazada. Ayan. Ano po siya? Isang set po siya ng mic. At tapos merong meron na siyang mic, may headset na siya, and then may camera. Ano lang. So okay guys, simulan na natin yung unboxing natin. Thank you. kailan ko ito ipaparaton. So, full specs and reviews regarding sa abangan nyo sa next video. Ayan guys, don't miss this one out. This is really good so far. Ayan, it goes I think nasa mga 500 plus lang siya, plus at shipping fee ni Lazada na 60 around Ilocos area. Ayan guys. So once again guys, thank you Tube Heroes University for this great items you had. And I hope so na I'm not hindi naman ako nagpo-promote dito guys. So ayun na lang guys. Ang ganda po ng headset. The headset one is very good. Yan, pang gamer po siya guys. And likewise the camera and also this one guys, the microphone. Yan, you can sing it all the way every day. And so ayun na guys, abangan nyo po yung paraffin ko. Ayan, this is quite good. And the phone is quite good. And I think the camera is ayan, check nyo po yung camera later kasi hindi ko siya ma-flex yung aking camera. Ayan. So but always good. Ayan. Thank you very much guys. Ayan. Abangan nyo po yung aking paraffin. Ipaparaffin ko po yung isang set niyan. Ayan. Don't think so if I think July, this coming July guys. So lahat po nang siguro nang a-attend sa aking live stream ay yun na po yung kanilang pinaka main entry sa aking paraffin. Di na po ako mag-ano, so all the way i-review ko ang aking mga sa aking live stream starting tonight, starting Monday, starting Sunday. So ayun na guys, mag-start tayo ng Sunday. So sa Sunday natin lahat ng a-attend sa aking live stream sila na po yung so I don't want to mention anything regarding this raffle because all those people who attend my live stream sila po yung may chance na manalo nitong isang set ng mic and headset, likewise the camera. So ayun na guys, abangan nyo aking review sa camera kasi hindi siya masyadong so that's all for today and thank you. So ayun guys, nandito pa ako kasi kanina pag-isip ko lang so pangit pa rin. Thank you. So guys, ayan po yung camera guys. Makikita nyo yung camera po nasa upper. Ayan, nasa upper po yung camera. And then, sa baba po ito po yung light. Ayan po yung headset. Ayan guys. So far so good. Malinaw naman po yung camera. Meron pa po siyang medyo blurry lang siya ng konti. Ayan, so but it's okay. It's perfect na rin for to do a live stream someday. Ayan. And that's all for today guys, and I would like to thank University for this their items. And thank you very much guys for tuning in. Once again, if you are not yet connected, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and good day. Goodbye.